So today I'm going to light a fire with my Swiss Army knife. This is an old Passenger, 3 layers, same as the Explorer but without scissors. But the most important thing for today's exercise of lighting a fire is my magnifying glass. So I'm just going to focus the sun's rays on the char cloth that I have here, and fairly quickly it will smolder a little bit. See a bit of smoke coming off it there now. So what that's done now, when I blow on it, see how red that is? So I'm going to put that down in my little fire bundle there, down low. I'll get the camera in a better position.